Both of them are winners today because of the way they've played throughout our tournament. We should give both the teams a big, big hand from our side. So the Rising Superstars have once again made it to the top. They will be the ones carrying the trophy today. Apart from the rolling trophy, they will also receive another trophy which they can keep for themselves to show everyone who comes. But the rolling trophy will be moved on year as we continue this league tournament that we have organized this year. And now I would like to request Mr. and Dr. P.V. Murthy to say a few words to welcome us all here. Just a few words, don't worry.
Thank you very much, Reynal. First of all, congratulations to the winning team. That's a big round of applause to them. Having said that, like Reynal said, there are no winners or losers in this match. All of us are winners, right? So I think that we should give them, Taj Mahal Palace team, also a big round of applause. I think everybody played very well, and more than the actual game there, I think the kind of teamwork that has been shown by all the players and those who are not playing, and people like me who are in between, I think that they also require should be given a round of applause. And finally, next time when this happens, I want to join Taj Sats team and play as part of their team. So I have been requesting everybody, starting from Reynal, Michelle, everyone, requesting them to take me in one of the teams, but they did not take me in any of the teams. All right? But since Taj Sats played with me, next time I'll be part of their team. Okay? So thank you very much. Congratulations, and I want to congratulate Reynal, Michelle, and all others who involved in organizing this game. It's wonderful. Thank you very much. That's it. Thank you.
Trophy for the tournament. May I request the entire team along with captain to come over here to receive the award for the runners-up. What a great match they put up. What a great match. Mr. Prakash, the captain. Prashant, the captain. And we have the entire team here with them.
Excuse me, sir.
Guys, turn here and let's break it.
Why you want to?
आप इधर रहो ना, इधर
हम वो वायर ऊपर है. वो
ठीक है, वो कवर हो रहा है, पीछे आ रहा है.
हाँ.
बस ठीक है.
Please give them a big hand, everyone. Please keep cheering. They have played a very, very good match. Not to forget, yesterday as well, they were in form, not allowing the other team to score even a few runs. They have been planning this for the last 3 days. Give them a big hand, everyone. At this point, I'd also like to thank them and Harish for helping us organize this entire tournament in such a beautiful way. Thank you. Congratulations, give them a big hand. If the entire team along with the cheering team can also come to be a part of this photograph, it would be great. Please join us in the photography session.
Thank you.
All the HR team is here and all of them especially worn yellow today, which they've gone and bought just for this tournament. So I have to give them a big hand.
Come on, guys.
Everybody hands up.
Sevi, come.
Come.
Nandek. All the guys, you can see. Please.
Have we come a little together?
Thank you.
Because the first tournament we lost against them, but no love lost. We are all really proud of you, the team TajSats, Rising Superstars. I think now we can call them superstars and remove the rising. Please come forward to receive your award. Handing over the trophy to Captain Lakshman. May I request everyone to come forward for this picture. Everyone who's cheering, who are part of the TajSats Superstars team. Give them a big hand, everyone. Give them a big hand.
Excuse me.
Okay, for the next award, it's something special. We haven't had man of the match. We have had man of the entire series, the entire tournament of 8. So now I request that we come up here to the center near this table to receive the award. We request Mr. Sanjay Bose to give away this award for man of the series, being the man of the Taj. The man of the series award. Any guesses, anyone?
Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am.
Pardon, I didn't hear. Any other options? Okay, so the tournament and all of these awards have been chosen by the umpires who have been with us throughout the 3 days, and they have chosen Mr. Imran from TajSats. He has got 4 wickets and 46 runs on his person. Give him a big hand, everyone. He looks very young, don't you think? Yes. He has a lot of time to go to win many awards. Thank you so much, Imran. And now, the better award everyone's been looking for. Who is going to be the woman of the entire series? So this time, we included women to be a part of every single tournament, every single match. We didn't want to let them go, and I think the women have been performing exceedingly well. With every match that we've had each of the women players taking out wickets, as well as doing some excellent fielding. But there's one in particular we'd like to congratulate today, and her name is Miss Inza. and 8 runs on her person. Not to mention, she was one of the women in the entire tournament to last for at least more than 1 over. Give her a big hand. And now the unique awards that we have for the best batsman and the best bowler. We would like to call Miss Swati and Miss Neha here to give the awards for them. So with 62 runs on them, 62 runs, almost an entire match they seem to have played. And that goes to Mr. Jason. Give them a big hand. What a personality and what a batsman.
Batsman.
He receives the award for the best batsman. Please can you come in front of the award place for the come here in the center. Three cheers for Jason. Hip hip. Hip hip. And now for the best bowler, the one who could make the batsman the most confused. Not only did he bowl the number of spins that he did, but with every ball he made sure that there were no runs coming out. For the best bowler we have Mr. Ujjwal, who's taken 6 wickets. Again, very neutral. I have not been judging this because I don't know cricket for action. Hooray! May I request Mr. Mathur, Mr. Merwan, they have been with us here cheering for their teams. I think they receive a very big hand. They probably have been planning the strategies for all of the matches. We would like to give the award now. The 4 special awards that we have planned, which were not announced earlier. The first award that we want to give is for the best captain. Now this person has been decided not based on how he played alone, but how well he managed his team. How cool he was on the ground in spite of the heat. And how he has been encouraging his entire team to do great. So, for the best captain of the entire tournament, we have Mr. Melvin from Taj Superstar. Only getting all the awards. We also have the other teams who have been winning and who have been playing, who we've been looking at for a very long time. And mind you, this award has only been selected by Michelle and me, because this award is for the person who is the most good looking in the entire tournament. Well, not only good looking, we've been looking at how their personality, how they've been managing themselves, and also the person who has worn the entire colors, because a lot of them have not been able to fit into their colors. So now we have the winner for the best lookout going to Mr. Hassan from Taj President, the TLE Blasters. May I request Ms. Swati to come to receive the award on his behalf. She can also win this award, mind you. The prettiest lady on the ground. Thank you very much. We request Mr. Ajay Datta to now come on the ground as well to give the award. We have not selected you on purpose, but this award is for Mr. Butterfingers. So, please don't take offense. This is someone who has not been able to catch balls even though it has come to them. The person who has been missing the maximum number of catches and giving points to the next team. He has secured 4 drops in the entire tournament. So we request Ms. Kayal to receive the award on the behalf of Mr. Rupesh from TLE Blasters. They have been blasting the ball before it could reach the ground and so have never been able to catch it. Congratulations to Rupesh. And now we request Mr. Anmol Aluwalia here on the ground, please. Thank you so much for coming, sir, and for being a part of the tournament. He was also there on all the other days to cheer for his team, the Taj Wellington Mules. And now we have, I think, an award that everybody wants to win, but couldn't win because of the ground that we had. But whoever has done exceedingly well, this is for the person with the maximum josh, the maximum energy, who has scored the maximum sixers in the entire tournament. We would like to give this award. Any guesses? Who has scored? He scored 4 sixes. The award goes to Mr. Samir Khare from Imperial. Since he's not here right now, Ms. Neha is coming to receive the award. Thank you so much. That comes to the end of our award. Thank you all.
I want all of us to give a big round of applause to these two women, Renal and Michelle. Hooray! 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 Great show. Thank you very much.
But this tournament would not have been possible. None of the matches would have been judged. Mr. Ishad, here, give him a big hand. He has kept everyone alive through the tournament. We also like to thank our sound and DJ operator. Thank you so much for the music. Can we have some music right now, please? Can we have the umpires, Mr. Kailash, Mr. Rishikesh? Please request our umpires to come to receive. Thank you very much for your amazing work on the field. We'll take all the chocolates and eat them up. Please come see. Thank you, amazing. Can we have our scorer and scorekeeper please come? Sergi, can we have you on to receive an award, please? No worries, we will give him the chocolate afterwards. He's coming, is he coming? Yes, they're here. Give them a big hand. Thank you so much. Thank you for your dedication and for always keeping the right score. Thank you. Thank you all so much. Whether it was cheering the crowd silently or being a part of the team at the ground or watching it live through our TV, thank you so much for every single moment that we've had here. It's been amazing organizing the entire tournament. We'd like to specially congratulate the entire corporate team for organizing this and for following through. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. You can enjoy your lunch now. Thank you.